This video is supported by Vipar Spectra. Yo, what up guys? I am Bass Drop Keys, your friendly neighborhood Negro, and welcome back to my beginner home grow guide, episode 13. This entire grow guide is being sponsored by Vipar Spectra. For this grow, I'm using their KS3000 LED grow light and their 3x3 grow tent. If you want to get your own Vipar Spectra equipment, you can use the code GOODEATS420. That will give you a discount on Amazon and on their website. I want to thank them for sponsoring this entire grow guide. Now let's get to today's video. Alright guys, so the last time you saw the plants, it was day 31 of flower. As you recall, the sugar leaves had started having trichomes on them and the buds was putting on pistils and starting to swell up a little bit. Everything was healthy and luscious, and the grow was pretty much on smooth sailing. It's day 34 of flower, and I need to raise up the light. As you guys can see, the plants have stretched really close to the light, so I want to give them some more space. So real quickly here, I'm going to raise the light a couple inches so the plant is not so close to the light. I don't want to get any light burn on any of the buds, so we need to raise it up. And this is how the plants are looking today. Check them out. It's day 38 of flower. We're 5.5 weeks in the flower, and it's time for me to give them a defoliation. They finally have stopped stretching, and they're putting all of the energy into the buds now. So it's a great time to defoliate and get rid of any big leaves and any leaves that's covering bud sites. The rest of the growth, the plant will no longer put energy into the leaves or trying to make new leaves. It will be focused on putting all the energy into plumping up those buds. And so we're going to help it out by taking away some of these leaves and letting it focus all of the energy that it can into the buds. That's the reason why we're doing the defoliation, and that's what I'm doing right now. Now that I'm finished with the defoliation, take a look at how the plants look now. I do want to mention one more thing right here too. As I told you guys last week, whenever I filled the reservoir, I did add nutrients to the reservoir. It's day 38 right now. The reservoir is almost finished being used. Whenever I fill it up again, I won't be using anything other than RO water, pH is 6.5. I'm not gonna go past day 42 using nutrients. The rest of the time, they'll be getting nothing but water, so that way we'll do the flush on them. But the grow is going great. Other than me not doing good trellis work, I'm liking what I'm seeing so far. The ventilation system that I'm using for this grow comes from AC Infinity. It is their inline T4 fan with carbon filter. You can use the code BASSDROPKEYS to get a 10% discount on any order at aceinfinity.com. If you're interested in getting your own autopot system, you can use the code BASSDROPKEYS. That will give you a 10% discount on any order at autopotusa.com. That's going to do it for today's video. Don't forget that we update this growing series every Sunday. Before I get up out of here, I want to invite you to come join my Patreon. I want to thank all of my Patreon patrons for supporting me. I could not do all the videos that I do and all the content that I do without you, so thank you very much. I really appreciate all of you guys. And until I see you guys the next time, peace and good eats. I'm out, guys. Much love.